New year, new you. Not unless you do these three things. Happy Monday and Happy New Year. I'm Grace, and this is Healing O'Clock. It's 2026, and today we're talking about how to make this year actually different. Let's be real. How many times have you set New Year's resolutions and quit by February? It's not because you're lazy, it's because you're approaching it all wrong. Here's the problem with most New Year's goals. They're too vague. I want to be healthier. They're too big. I'm going to completely change my life. They're not connected to your why. I should do this. And they have no systems. I'll just try harder. Then life gets hard, motivation fades, and you're back to old patterns by Valentine's Day. But here's the good news. This year can be different if you do it right. You don't need more motivation. You need better systems. You don't need bigger goals. You need clearer purpose. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. The framework that actually works. Step 1. Choose one main focus for the year, not 10 goals. One area of transformation. Example, this is the year I heal my relationship with myself. Step 2. Break it into quarterly milestones. Q1. What small win can I achieve? Q2. What's the next step? Q3. How do I deepen the progress? Q4. How do I finish strong? Step 3. Create daily micro-habits. Don't overhaul your entire life on January 1st. Add one small habit per month. January, journal 5 minutes daily. February, add 10-minute walks. March, practice one boundary per week. Small, consistent actions create massive transformation. Action steps. Here's your 2026 Fresh Start Action Plan. Step 1. Pick your one focus. What is the one area that, if you transformed it, would change everything? Health, relationships, career, finances, mental health, purpose? Step 2. Set your quarterly milestones. Write down what success looks like in March, June, September, and December. Step 3. Identify your daily micro-habit. What's the smallest action you can take every day that moves you toward your goal? Step 4. Build in accountability. Tell someone your goal. Join a group. Hire a coach. Schedule weekly check-ins. Step 5. Plan for obstacles. What will try to stop you? Work stress? Family pressure? Old habits? How will you handle it before it happens? Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. 2026 is not about perfection. It's about progress. Start small. Stay consistent. Trust the process. You've got this. I'm Grace, and time spent with Grace is worth it. Let's make 2026 unforgettable.